How to select multiple files in laptop. This is what you will learn in this video. The tutorial is only for the beginners. In order to select a single file, you can just click on that file and you will see that there is a checkbox, which means that the file has been selected. When you will click somewhere else, it will get deselected. Now, multiple file selection could be that you just long press the left click and make a box, and everything that comes within that box, all those files will be selected. So this is one way of selecting multiple files. The other way is that you can open a particular folder, and once you are within that folder, you can just press Ctrl and A with your keyboard, and all the files within that folder will be selected. Now, the other thing could be that you don't want to select all files. You want to make a selective selection of the files. For example, if I want to click this first file and then I want to select this fourth or fifth file, but when I click over here, this file gets deselected. So the solution to this is extremely simple. You can just select your first file, and after that you can press the shift, and let's say if I go to if I want to select file from this till this Intel, once I'll just press click, it will select all those files. When you press the shift button, you need to just click the first file and the last file in the sequence, and every file between these two files will all be automatically selected. Now the last thing is that if you randomly want to select the files from within a folder, for that instead of pressing the shift, you need to press the Control and keep the Control pressed, and now you can click on to the files that you want to select. For example, here, and then here, you can see that I have randomly selected different folders or files. So this is another way of selecting the files. For example, again, I'm going to press the Control. You can see that I can select any of the files that I want, and if I want to deselect, for example, if I have wrongly selected this file, no problem, just keep holding the Control button and again click on this file and it will get deselected. So that's how you can select the multiple files on your laptop.